What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today in the mail I got my ColourPop RawBeautyKristi collab. I was so excited, it came so fast. I thought I was going to be waiting for a while before I got it. So I didn't even take off my PJs. I still got my pajamas on. I threw on some foundation and bronzer and blush and sat down so I could play. So I thought I would film it for you. I got the entire collection. I got the 4 Super Shock shadows. Look how pretty those are. I got the At Foresight palette, the 2 lip glosses, and the 3 liners. So exciting. So here's the palette. It's so pretty. It's got the names on the back. Even the kitty cat is excited. See how excited she is? Here's the palette on the inside. Look at how pretty those colors are. Oh my goodness. And the packaging with the mushrooms. Everybody that knows me knows that this is right up my alley. I love mushrooms and anything to do with nature. There's the back of the packaging with all of the different shade names. I'm not the greatest at swatches, but we're going to swatch it in a minute. Here are the 3 different eyeliners. There's a brown, a yellow, and a green. I've never ever used colored eyeliners, so I can't wait to try these out. There are 2 lip glosses. We have Wildflower and we have Glacier. They're so pretty. Here are the Super Shock shadows. Look at how cute the packaging is. Look at those little mushrooms on there. So cute. Here's the palette. Those colors are so vibrant and very smooth. They swatched on beautifully. Now that I have you zoomed in, I'm going to recreate one of the looks that Kristi did on her channel. It was so pretty and I just loved it. So I'm going to attempt to recreate that on my mature eyes and see how that goes. I have already put on one of the lip glosses. I put on Glacier because my lips were feeling a little dry. Did I just spit? Went on very nice. It's not sticky at all. My lips feel nice and moisturized. So I'm going to go into chanterelle and put that in my crease with a big fluffy brush. I'm using my Luxie 231. Oh my goodness. Look at how pretty that color is. Just taking what's left over and running it across the lid, making sure that I blend that out really well. I love this mustardy color. It's so pretty. There is a little bit of kick up in the pan, but it's staying in the pan. I'm not seeing any fallout. Next I'm going to take a smaller brush and go here into puffball. Kristi placed that in her inner and outer corners. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. And it looks like I'm putting it all over my entire lid, but that's alright. We'll hopefully come up with the same effect. Next we're going into homegrown. And we're going to put that in the inner and outer corner to deepen it up a little bit. I'm just going to use that same brush. Next I'm going to go in with Let It Rain and put just a little bit of that in the inner and outer corner as well. Oh, that really is pigmented and picked up well on the brush. I think Kristi used her finger. I wasn't sure how the brush was going to do, but it really picked that color up. Next, she took Gold Coast and put that just right in the center of the lid. I'm going to try that with my brush. By the way, I'm using a Morphe M213. It's a little tiny brush. I love it. Just making sure that I blend those edges out. So pretty. Now I'm going to take my mycelium and put that right over top of that gold, right in the center of the lid. Just a little bit. Wow, that really does make it sparkle. And so I'm going to go back into chanterelle with a little motor brush that doesn't have a number. Just a little flat, I believe that's a shader brush. Now I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. And then I'm going back into puffball using the same brush, and I'm going to put that over top. And then I'm going back into West Coast, picking up just a little bit of that on my little Morphe brush and put that right in the center. I believe she may have taken a little bit more of my mycelium and put just a titch of that on her lower lash as well. And then I'm going to use this big fluffy Morphe brush. Doesn't have a number on it, but I like to use it just to blend out any harsh edges, to make sure that everything is very well blended. And then I'm going to use marigold on my lower waterline. Those are very creamy. They go on really easy. What do you think? It's a little outside of my comfort zone, but I like it. I have glitter all over my cheeks. So here we have the final look. In honor of Kristi, I put on these very wispy eyelashes. I never do eyelashes. You should have seen me struggling to get them on. Maybe I should have done that on camera just for the comedy value. But anyway, Kristi loves big eyelashes, and I wanted to put them on to honor her and her collab. So happy for her. She's been wanting to do this for a very long time. So I really like it. It really puts me way out of my comfort zone, even having the eyelashes on, but it's fun, and we should push ourselves outside of our comfort zone sometimes and try some new things. So let me zoom y'all back out. So this is the final result of the RawBeautyKristi collab with ColourPop and the At Foresight collection. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I hope you will consider subscribing. My name is Leanna, and I am so happy that you spent some time with me today. And now it's time for my son Christopher's makeup tip. Christopher, my tip for you is just don't wear makeup. It ain't worth all the money. It ain't worth all the hassle for you. Just buy fishing lures instead and go fishing. Okay, son? Mama loves you, boo. Don't forget, makeup is meant to enhance the beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. I bet if I took these eyelashes off and put them on my desk, they'd end up being a cat toy. Guaranteed. So exciting. It's so exciting. How exciting. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? What is this, a free-for-all? No. I feel like I'm looking through a set of mini blinds.